27. Today is February the 13th. Our morning devotion title is Led by the Spirit. The scripture text is found in Isaiah 49 verse 16. See, I have inscribed you on the palms of my hands. Your walls are continually before me. Our morning devotion says there are two courses of action which we may pursue. One leads away from God and shuts us out of His kingdom. And in this path are envy, strife, murder, and all evil deeds. The other course of action draws us close to God, and in its pursuance will be found joy, peace, harmony, and love. When Christ left the world, He committed a work into our hands. His followers were left to take it out where He left it. The work is carried on until our time. Christ prayed for us in heaven. My hands, my hands. He offers the wounded hands to God, and His petitions are heard. And swift angels were sent to minister to fallen men and women, to lift up and to sustain. For this, we would like to sing a prayer song to you. The title of this song is Spirit Song. Hope you enjoy this song and be blessed.
Oh, let the Son of God enfold you with His Spirit and His love. Let Him fill your heart and satisfy your soul. Oh, let Him have the things that hold you, and His Spirit like a dove will descend upon your life and make you whole. Jesus, oh Jesus, come and fill your lands. Jesus, oh Jesus, come and fill your lands. Oh, come and sing this song with gladness as your hearts are filled with joy. Lift your hands in sweet surrender to His name. Oh, give Him all